they're off. 7 furlongs in front of them. They leave the gate. Skyflight a little bit slower than the others and just got barged a bit at the beginning, but Red Yarn, George Baker on the left, is sent on, determined to get the lead. Shows as they complete the first furlong to Batgirl in the mauve sleeves, and then the dark blue and yellow Fawley Green right in behind the leaders. Lecker in the terracotta jacket running right in the middle, and then the yellow colours of Fazar, and Skyflight a little outpaced by the looks of things every now and again in the early part of the race, but already they head down to the last half mile, and Red Yarn shows with a 1.5 length advantage, tracked against the rails by Fawley Green, and then on the right is Batgirl. Lecker is a 1.5 lengths behind those in 4th place. Travels okay, but might be a bit short of room at the moment. Fazar's holding him in up there on the right as they come down now with the 2 marker in sight, and now Lecker has got out into the clear as they head down to the closing stages, and it's Lecker with Batgirl, and now one from the left, Fawley Green. The dark blue and yellows come there very strongly as they approach the furlong pole, and still battling on is Red Yarn against the rails. Inside the last furlong, Fawley Green and Red Yarn together. They've beaten the others off. Batgirl is back in 3rd place. Fawley Green and Richard Hughes narrowly in front though, but Red Yarn, the green jacket, George Baker, is going to win. Red Yarn was the winner to Fawley Green, Batgirl and Lecker.
Hughesy a winner from here. Looked like he was riding one of the Hen and 2-year-olds, one of his 9 winners at Goodwood, just sitting there. But when he goes down on Fawley Green and push comes to shove, George Baker is just able to find more. A really, really enterprising and determined ride from George Baker. He's in fine form. The 2 glorious Goodwood winners as well this week. We'll call it a neck in the end, but it will be Red Yarn at 4-to-1 joint, second favourite, along with Fawley Green back in a second, as we said.